In this drawing, we are going to be constructing a common external tangent to two even circles of diameter 100 millimeters. Circle A is going to be 200 millimeters away from circle B. So let's construct that. So using the circle tool, center diameter, we're going to construct our circles. Let's label this first circle, at least the center. It's going to be A. Now we're going to draw circle B 200 millimeters away from circle A. So we're going to actually use the copy tool and get that done. Rename this to circle B. Let's label this line here. We're going to label that line GE. Next, we are going to erect normals from centers A and B to GE to cut the circumference at P and R. So from point A and from point B, we're going to construct two perpendiculars or 90 degree to cut circle A and cut circle B at P and R respectively. So let's do that. So using the arc tool, center start end, using this point as center, we're going to scribe an arc, let's say 100. Let's change this to the construction there. Using the arc tool again, using this point as center, we're going to scribe another arc. Now we draw the perpendicular and we do the same thing for circle B. 100. Using this point as center. 100. Now we're going to label those points. So where the normal cuts the circumference of the circle, we're going to label that point P. And R. And these points are actually our points of tangency. So in this case, we can connect points P to point R, and this is our line of tangency, or our tangent line. So there we have it. Common external tangent to two even circles of 100 millimeters diameter, and AB centers are 200 millimeters apart.